The fourth inter-school sports meet of the Jaiaw District Presbyterian Schools concluded on a high note at the Poksek ground in Shillong, bringing together young athletes from 5 institutions in a spirited display of sportsmanship and competition. The participating schools were Nongra Presbyterian Secondary School, Mairung Presbyterian Secondary School, Lo Mausiang Presbyterian LP School, Maulanray Presbyterian LP School and Maulandep Presbyterian LP School. The meet was officially declared open by Nongtmai MLA Charles Pengrop in the presence of Elder F.J. Myrom, Elder K.D. Ramsed, school principals, teachers, parents and invited guests. In his address, the MLA of Nongthamai, Charles Pengrop, urged upon the student athletes to stay focused and committed, highlighting the importance of setting clear goals both on and off the field, and emphasized that discipline, dedication and respect for mentors and elders are key attributes that contribute to success in sports and life. The event kicked off with an impressive march past by contingents from all 5 schools, setting the tone for the competitions that followed. The atmosphere was further energized by musical performances and precision drills by the 58 GTC marching band, adding flair and excitement to the sporting spectacle.
Leading the
The Education Committee of the Jaiaw District has contributed significantly in academics, public service, entrepreneurship, sports, and the society at large. The values of discipline, integrity, and perseverance taught have helped students grow into responsible individuals and contribute meaningful to society. When we were young, we dreamt freely. We dreamt of becoming leaders, doctors, engineers, artists, sportspersons, or entrepreneurs. We dream of making our parents proud. We dream of building a meaningful life. But as we grow older, challenges come and sometimes we may even fail. And that is why days like today are very important. Because sports teach us something life will constantly remind us of. You may fall, you may lose, but you must rise again. Victory is not always about coming first. Victory is about discipline. It is about teamwork. It is about resilience. It is about giving your best even when things do not go your way. As your representative, I want you to know this, that your dreams matter.